Hey, good evening, everybody. Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? It is March the 5th, 2025, coming from the sauna in the bunker. We got 126 degrees. I just got done with dinner. I must have caught a cold on my trip. I'm not feeling great. I'm not feeling bad, but I'm not feeling great. And I did not, I did not walk this morning. We had some bad weather here. I'll be walking tomorrow, the next day. Oh, by the way, tomorrow I get a haircut. Yeah, baby. All right, let's talk about, I don't know why I feel when I talk about Trump, I need to do all these disqualifiers or disclaimers. Whether you like them, whether you voted for them, whether you don't like them, only tolerate them. He's doing a lot for the crypto space. And not tomorrow, Friday, the 7th is the first, hopefully of many, the first White House crypto summit. All the big wigs are going to be there. They're going to talk about regulation. Remember Gary Gensler? He's out of there. So they want to lay a framework, a new foundation, a new platform for the cryptocurrency projects moving forward. And I think that's great. I think it's what we need. Yeah, some say on Twitter that Trump's going to be making announcements on zero capital gains tax if you hold a crypto for over a year. Who knows? But I'm sure that there's going to be some news that he will present. By the way, Ondo up huge today. Ondo's going to be speaking at the crypto summit on Friday. I don't know who it's going to be. It's kind of crazy. There's a few people on Twitter from their team that follow me on Twitter. And one of the ladies is Katie Wheeler. She's the, is she in charge of marketing and development or something? Anyhow, I was shocked when a couple of weeks ago she followed me on Twitter. That said, Ondo up huge today. We hit $1.15. I think I just checked about an hour ago. It was like under $1, 89.92 yesterday. Anyhow, so yeah, hopefully the crypto summit will kick off altcoin season. We're waiting for Ethereum. That's what we're waiting for. When Ethereum goes, look out, okay? And that's the video. Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being part of my crypto family. And I got to get better. Love y'all. Bye-bye.